How to contact people support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily contact them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this settings section. Here, you'll be able to find different options available. Here, there's a section called Message Center. Simply tap on Message Center, and here, you'll be able to easily contact them. Here, there are different AI models with which you can have different conversation related to the problem that you're facing, or else you can directly assist them and they'll be helping you in no time. So you can simply tap on this and ask your queries here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.